Are you looking for a fully funded PhD position in Europe, US, Australia? Each year, there are tens of thousands of applicants who fail to obtain PhD positions, but there are thousands of doctoral positions with monthly stipends that are left vacant each year. Ever felt overwhelmed by the PhD application process? When I started my doctoral studies, I received several messages from doctoral applicants who needed help in their applications. Some of them have applied to several universities for years without success. Due to academic demand, I could help only 8 people throughout the 4 years period by guiding them how to write their proposals. All 8 were successful. I have gotten the opportunity to participate in the selection process for doctoral candidates and noticed similar mistakes applicants often make. The people I helped had this same problem with their applications. I therefore decided to write a simple guide to help doctoral candidates to succeed. The result is the simple book, Mastering the Art of Tailoring Your Research Proposal, a guide for doctoral students. If you are planning to apply for doctoral position in Europe, US, Canada and other developed nations, get a copy and reduce the chances of rejection. The guide will help you to master the art of crafting a persuasive application that stands out. Discover how to stand out throughout the selection processes. Do not apply for doctoral positions without funding and stipends. Gain insights into securing funding for your PhD. With our guidebook, Mastering the Art of Tailoring Your Research Proposal, a guide for doctoral students, turn your PhD dreams into reality. Join the ranks of successful doctoral candidates. Embark on your PhD journey with confidence. Get your guidebook today. Follow the link below and buy the book. You can get in touch with us if you need further help, and we are glad to succeed with you.